Do you juggle multiple income streams but still struggle to keep track of where your money is really going? Maybe you've got your full-time job, a side hustle, investments, or even rental income. At first, it feels amazing. More cash coming in, more freedom, more opportunities. But then, things can get chaotic. Your bank accounts overflow with payments from different sources, and you can't keep track of which money is for what. In this video, I'm going to share 5 smart ways to organize your multiple income sources and ensure your money works for you, not against you. Let's dive right in. 1. Keep separate bank accounts for different income sources. Imagine this. You get paid from your day job, you get a payment from a freelance gig, and your rental property income drops into your account. But they all go into the same place. Sounds like a mess, right? It's not just confusing. It's a huge financial headache waiting to happen. When you have all your money in one account, it becomes impossible to figure out where your money's coming from and where it's going. You might spend without thinking, and before you know it, your savings and tax funds are mixed up with your personal spending. Here's the solution. Keep separate accounts for each income source. One for your main job, one for side gigs, one for business expenses, one for savings, and another for taxes. Simple, organized. When each income stream has its own dedicated account, tracking becomes effortless. You'll see exactly how much you're making from each source and how much you're spending. And when tax time comes, you'll thank yourself for this one. Plus, separate accounts can protect you from unwanted surprises. You won't accidentally dip into business funds for personal use or forget that a portion of your income should be set aside for taxes. It keeps you disciplined, and it's a simple way to avoid the stress of mixing personal and business finances. This method also makes it easier to measure the success of each income stream. You can easily see which ones are thriving and which ones might need more effort or adjustment. Overall, separating your funds gives you control over your finances and keeps you organized. 2. Use a centralized tool to track all your income. You've got multiple sources of income, but how do you keep track of all of them? Sure, separate accounts help, but having everything in one place is key. Here's the secret. Use a financial tracking app or tool like Pocket Guard or NAB. You need a budget. These apps let you link all your bank accounts and credit cards, pulling in all your transactions from different income sources in one central hub. You'll be able to see exactly how much you're making, what's left after expenses, and even get a better idea of your net profit. And the best part? You don't need to guess about your financial health anymore. It's all right there at your fingertips. This helps you make smarter decisions with your money because you're not just looking at your total balance. You're seeing how each income source performs. And with that kind of clarity, you can make better choices for your future. For example, if you notice one source of income consistently underperforming, you can quickly shift your focus and put more effort into the higher performing sources. Tracking gives you the power to pivot your strategy and focus on what's most profitable. Another advantage of using a centralized tool is that it allows you to set and track goals, whether you want to increase savings or pay down debt. These tools help you monitor your progress with real-time data, ensuring you stay on track to meet your financial goals. 3. Automate the flow. Managing multiple income streams can become overwhelming if you're constantly trying to track where each dollar goes. A smart way to streamline this process is to automate your finances. For instance, as soon as you receive your freelance payment or rental income, you can set up an auto transfer feature within your bank app. This ensures that a set percentage of your income is automatically moved into dedicated accounts, such as a savings account, a tax savings account, or an emergency fund, before you even have a chance to spend it. Once you've set up the system, the transfers will happen automatically each time you receive a payment. This saves you time and mental energy, since you won't need to manually track or move the money. It's like putting your finances on autopilot. You only need to set it up once, and it keeps running in the background. You'll never have to worry about remembering to set aside funds for taxes or savings because it's already happening. In addition to automating income transfers, set up auto pay for regular bills and subscriptions like electricity, internet, or streaming services. This ensures payments are made on time, avoiding late fees, and keeping your finances smooth. By automating payments and savings, you create consistency and free up time to focus on growing your income without managing every transaction. 4. Tax optimization. Managing taxes with multiple income sources can be tricky. Unlike a salary job, where taxes are automatically deducted, you need to handle taxes yourself for freelance work, side businesses, or investments. To optimize your taxes, start by tracking all business-related expenses like internet bills, software subscriptions, and equipment costs. These expenses can be deducted from your income, reducing your taxable income and lowering your tax burden. By tracking every expense that is related to your business or side hustle, you ensure that you're only taxed on your actual net income profits, not your gross earnings. This is one of the smartest ways to reduce your tax burden and make sure you're not overpaying the government. The more expenses you can claim as deductions, the less you'll need to pay in taxes. To optimize your taxes, start by setting aside a percentage of each income payment for taxes as soon as it arrives. This way, you're not scrambling at the end of the year. A good rule of thumb is to allocate 25 to 30%, but this can vary depending on your income and tax bracket. You can set up automatic transfers to a separate tax savings account to make this process effortless. It's also a good idea to consult with a tax professional, especially as your income grows. They can help you maximize deductions and tax credits, ensuring you're not overpaying, particularly when you move into a higher tax bracket or face self-employment taxes. Lastly, consider making quarterly tax payments to avoid a large lump sum payment at the end of the year. Spreading out your tax responsibility helps maintain smooth cash flow and keeps you on top of your obligations year-round. 5. Regularly review your income streams and financial strategy. Here's the thing. Life changes, goals change, and so do your income streams. What worked well for you last year might not be as profitable this year, and that's okay. Set a regular time, monthly or quarterly, to sit down and review how each income stream is doing. Which ones are bringing in the most cash? Which ones are just draining your time and energy with little return? This isn't just about money. It's also about your time. If one income stream is paying well, but taking up all your free time, is it really worth it? Maybe it's time to adjust your strategy. Doing this financial audit helps you understand what's working, what's not, and what needs tweaking. It helps you reinvest in the streams that are growing and cut loose the ones that aren't helping you reach your goals. The review process is also a chance to celebrate your successes. If one of your income sources has seen consistent growth or you've hit a savings goal, take a moment to recognize that progress. Celebrating these wins motivates you to keep going. Finally, a review helps you spot potential opportunities for expansion or improvement. You might find new ways to scale your most profitable income stream, or identify an area where your time is being wasted and can be streamlined. Regular audits make sure you're always improving and growing. And there you have it. 5 smart ways to organize your multiple income sources and take control of your finances. These strategies will not only help you make better financial decisions, but they'll also give you peace of mind knowing your money is working for you, not against you. From keeping separate accounts to automating your savings and tax transfers, the key is simplicity and organization. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this advice, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.